That's it, guys. Peace out. Like and subscribe. Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to Team Akad. This is AJ. Sino yun sa Akad yun? Sa ACA yun, sa Akad. Ay, mag-unboxing tayo ngayon ng drone natin for our vlogging. Nagpabili si Mrs. Well, I wanna try it too. Kasi gusto ko rin maglaro ng what you call this, drone. And then at the same time, pwede rin namin magamit sa vlogging ni Mrs. So, kumuha na rin ako. So, yun ang gagawin natin ngayon. Mag-unboxing tayo. Okay, so this is the DJI Mini 2 drone. So bundle na to, bundle. So let's see kung paano to. Then we'll sample it later. So magkano to? We bought it for, walang price dito, but I bought it for 600 plus tax. No, $599 plus tax. So yun, may carrying case na set siya. Good. This is gonna be good. So, ito yung controller niya. Ano kaya to? Ilalagay mo to sa phone mo lang. Then this one is, which one is this? Okay, mga charger niya. Okay, and this is the drone itself, right? Nice. Liit lang, oh. Really small. Ano lang? Nasaan na yung mga quad charger? So what is this? Tender spare quad prop. How many charger? So nandito na siya. It's over here already. See? So may mga spare na siya. Tatlo. So 3, I think this is 30-minute fully charged. Kasi ko pa ba ito? Okay. Nice.
Lupa.
Ah? Nice. Hi, Kulan.
Wait, that's the drone?
Yeah, it's a drone.
How does it work?
Well, we're gonna find out. We're gonna figure it out. How does it work?
Yo,
The what?
these things on the airplane. These are the same things on the airplane.
The airplane?
Yeah, airplane. Airplane. Slice! Right. Go! Do, 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 do. Gotta go, go! Gotta go, go! Gotta go, 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 go. Can this play with you? Oh, that's sick!
That is sick, right? See that? Hold on.
Can I touch it?
We're gonna figure out how this one works first.
Okay, I need to go up.
And then what? Nice. Oops. So I think we need to charge the batteries first. So we're gonna try this one later at the park. Okay? So that's it's gonna be our drone. So we're gonna try this one. Okay? Look. DJI Mini 2. We'll find out. Okay. Mini 2. Okay. That's it for now.
And we're gonna try that later.
We're gonna try it later. We're gonna charge it, try it later. We're gonna learn how to operate it. Kasi hindi pa natin alam. Okay? Later on, guys. Peace. Peace out.
Thank you for watching, friends. Like and subscribe.